In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text last longer on Clipchamp. Whether you're creating a video for a personal project or a professional presentation, knowing how to extend the duration of text can be incredibly valuable for enhancing your video content. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. Clipchamp is an easy to use online video editor, perfect for both beginners and advanced users. If you already have an account, simply click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll see various options to log in. Select Continue with Microsoft to proceed with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll be prompted to do so now. Choose your account from the list and you'll be redirected back to Clipchamp's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready to start creating your video by clicking on Create a New Video. This will take you straight to the video editor where the magic happens. The first step in the editor is to click on Import Media. Here, you can upload the video clips you'd like to edit. Once your files are uploaded, simply drag and drop them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen to begin arranging your video sequence. Now, to extend the duration of the text, navigate to the text section in the editor. You'll find a variety of text styles to choose from. Select the style that best fits your video. Once you've made your choice, click and drag the text style onto the timeline, aligning it with your video clips. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for how your text will appear in the video. To make your text last longer, simply adjust the duration by clicking and dragging the ends of the text clip on the timeline. Align your text with the video to ensure it displays as intended at key moments. This can be particularly useful for maintaining audience engagement or emphasizing important points in your video, and there you have it, a simple way to extend text duration using Clipchamp. By following these steps, you can ensure that your text remains visible for the desired length of time, enhancing the viewer's experience and delivering your message effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles, durations, and alignments to create a video that's just right for your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.